Welcome everyone. So in our last class we have already discussed about mathematical expectations. Mathematical expectations ki hoy? So in short, jodi mathematical expectation or definition dibo loga hoy, it is the average value that you can expect from a random variable, right? So that means the random variable etar arithmetic mean by average. Etia the next step, obviously if you know what is the average or tumi tar jodi now average represent the central tendency, right? So tumi jodi central tendency janisa, then obviously you also want to know what is the variance or the dispersion or uporoto tumi eta knowledge janibo bisarisa, right? So now in case of central tendency, arithmetic mean is the best measure. Similarly, in case of dispersion, standard deviation or variance is the best measure. So ei karone ami random variable etar variance or bishoye interested. So we can find the variance of a random variable. So this is variance of a random variable. So variance, if x is a random variable, if x is a random variable, then the variance of x is denoted by Vx and is given by the formula or the relationship Vx is expected value of x minus expectation of x, right? That is this square. So a formula too you can simplify also. So basically yat sabologa hole ki ase tumi jetu random variable se x tapra tat prothomone tar expectation ulabo lagibo, right? Expectation to ulai uthi tumi you will have to subtract it, then square it, then ako expectation lobo lagibo, right? So we can simplify this formula as expectation. So this is a minus b whole square jodi likha, it will be a square plus e x square minus 2 times of x into ex, right? A square plus b square minus twice ab. It ami already koisilo je expectation of x plus y hole tak bhag kori dibo pari. So here also we can split it. So split kori dile ki hoy jabo, expectation of x square hoy jabo plus this will be expectation of x square minus expectation of 2 times of x expectation of x. Okay, so this is equal to, this will remain same, expectation of x square plus expectation of another expectation will be the same. The expectation of anything ex to me last class oto ami ex or value ulaisilo je suppose dice or khetrot it is 3 point something, konoba ta coin toss or khetrot eta beleg dhoroner. So these are always a constant. Okay, so here the constant value eta expectation je result of an expectation hoda eta tumi number paba, expected value of something you will get a number. So he ako ketio random variable nohoy, tar logot kono probability associate hoy na thake, that means that is a constant for now. So ami paisilu the expectation of a constant is the constant itself. So a2 eta constant hobo, he karone that will be expectation of x square. This is whole thing square actually, right? Minus ami constant bor bahirot anibo paru. So this will be a constant, this will be a constant. So 2 times of expectation of x constant bahirot ahi jabo, thakibo e to the ex, right? So we have expectation of x square plus expectation of x whole thing square minus 2 times of expectation of x whole thing square, right? So simplify korle ami ki palo 2 times 1 times, so it will be expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole thing square. Basically here difference to ki square to bahirot thoka bhitorot thoka this term jodi denote korba this term is the x square or expected value ulabo lage aru yate x or expected value ulai uthi tak square koribo lage, right? So this is the formula to find out your expectation, right? It is standard deviation tapora kenake ulabo pari. So this is the formula for expectation. Tapora tumi the standard deviation ulabo para. Standard deviation is simple. Standard deviation, which is also denoted as sigma, is root over of variance of x, right? That means, and here I got hodai plus minus dibo lage, plus minus root over expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole thing square. Okay, so this is the formula for standard deviation and variance. So there are some properties related to the variance of a random variable. Number one whole variance of c is equal to 0. C is any constant. So to me logically use joa variance the amount of variation, right? Kiman hi vary kori ase value eta, he value to kiman vary kore, higher the value where it varies, higher will be the variance, lower it varies, lower will be the variance. So bostu eta vary korile tak variance poa jay. Etia here in this case to constant eta tumi consider kori ase, and constant ketiao vary nokore. So constant jehetu vary nokore, so tar variance hodai 0 e paba to. So you can prove this. Proof kenake hobo je by definition proof by definition variance of c will be expectation of c square minus expectation of c whole square. It a constant, so c jodi constant, c square u constant hobo, and constant or expectation lole constant to nije pai c square minus expectation of c, constant or expectation c nije thake, so c square. So c square minus c square is equal to 0, right? That's property number 1. Okay. So then property number 2 holds a variance of a constant into a random variable is a square variance of x. So yeah, a is any constant, a to constant hoy, and this tumi jodi soa, if you recall last class or expectation of ax, a expectation of x asile, right? Expectation of c equal to c asile, so on the contrary variance of c 0 hoy gol. Yate on the contrary variance of ax is a square variance of x hoy. So confusion nohoba je duitar majot duta beleg beleg dhornor property hoy, though the structure is same, property duta beleg. So yat proof koribo loga hole proof. So by definition ki hobo, by definition variance of ax is expectation of ax square, ৰাইট এই গোটেইখিনি স্কোয়াৰ কৰিব লাগিব let me write it like this ax whole square minus expectation of ax whole thing square right here this is nothing but expectation of a square x square minus expectation of ax ki hobo a expectation of x whole square এটা constant hoda bahirot ahi jay so it will be a square expectation of x square minus yare a square to bahirot ahi jabo so a square expectation of x whole thing square so ami a square common lobo paru common lole ki hol expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole thing square so eto car formula this is the formula for variance so ami ki palu a square variance of x right that's the proof of this property je jodi eta constant multiply hoi thake tomar random variable to logot variance or khetrot tak bahirot ulai gole eto square hoi jabo that you should remember number 3 is variance of ax plus b is equal to a square variance of x a and b are any two constants okay a and b are any two constants so এইটো ক্ষেত্ৰত সোৱা যে যেতিয়া কনস্ট্যান্ট এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই হৈ থাকে হি বাহিৰত আহিলে স্কয়াৰ হৈ যায় ইন কনস্ট্যান্টৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ভেৰিয়েন্স ইজ 0 so ইয়া প্ৰুফ কৰাও হে একে সিস্টেম so let's prove this proof by definition variance of ax plus b is equal to expectation of ax plus b whole square minus expectation of ax plus b whole thing square right so a to a plus b whole square hisabe likhile you will get a square x square plus b square plus 2 times of a b x right minus expectation of ax is a expectation of x plus b whole thing square the expectation of a plus b plus c hole expectation of a plus expectation of b plus expectation of c likhibo pari so here modedi this value we can split it to split korile ki hobo this will be expectation of a square x square plus expectation of b square plus expectation of twice ab x minus a to a plus b whole square so this will be a square expectation of x whole thing square ek gutekhini separate ke likhisu this is the first term next term minus se plus b square plus 2 times of ab expectation of x okay so this is expectation of a square to bahirot loi jabo para so a square expectation of a square a constant or expectation itself so b square plus yate a b 2 a gotiketa constant so twice ab expectation of x মাইনাছ ইয়াতে a স্কোয়াৰ থাকিলে so a square expectation of x whole thing square minus b because this minus this plus minus hobo and then minus twice this twice a b expectation of x. So this term get cancelled, this term get cancelled. So thakile ki we are left with a square expectation of x square minus a square expectation of x whole square. So this is a square common lole you will get expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole thing square, which is nothing but the formula for variance of x, right? So ami palu je jodi variance of x means that the random variable logot the multiply hoy ase plus another constant, then the value is this. Okay, so these are properties of variance. And then we have a theorem which is again a property but addition theorem of variance. If x and y are two random variables, okay, then variance of x plus y is equal to variance of x variance of y minus plus 2 times of covariance x comma y. That's the formula. Now yet mon koiba that there is a new term which is covariance xy, and I guess tumalage covariance ki hoy already HS first year pori aisa. So covariance is the simultaneous variance between two random variables but two sets of data. So covariance of two random variable kenake calculate kora hoy, so there is another topic which is covariance of two random variables, right? So covariance is, suppose if x and y are the two random variables, then covariance x comma y is given by original formula is expectation of x minus expectation of x, right? This thing into y minus expectation of y. So this is the formula, the original formula, but simplified formula to hobo the yak jodi tumi simplify kora it will be expectation of xy minus expectation of x expectation of y. So this is the formula that is most commonly used, right? So heitue hol covariance xy. So variance of x plus y will be given by, this is the theorem, and this. So yak jodi moi tumi proof koribo loga hoy, to prove this, okay, variance of x plus y is equal to expectation of x plus y square, right? So this thing square minus expectation of x plus y whole thing square. So this is equal to expectation of a plus b whole square, so it will be x square plus y square plus twice xy minus expectation of x plus y is x, right? jodi hai x plus expectation of y for any two random variable. So this is equal to etia etu likhibo para as expectation of x square expectation of y square plus 2 to constant jehetu bahirot likhi dibo paro ekebarate x y plus yat ki pam ami expectation of x whole square. So a to b hisabe dhorile a square plus, sorry, this would be minus, eto minus hobo, eto minus hobo because I got minus sign ase. So minus expectation of y whole square so plus twice ab minus sign ase, so minus 2 times of ab means expectation of x expectation of y. So this is equal to tumi ki koribo para prothom term expectation of x square minus a term to, that means expectation of x whole square, etu separate ke likhilu, right? tar pisot similarly ami ki korilu expectation of y minus expectation of y square, right? Sorry, this is expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square, etu separate ke likhilu minus sign common loi ami ki korilu, sorry, plus sign loi there will be 2 ase yate, yato 2 ase, so 2 can be taken common, then ki thakibo bitorot expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y, right? So etia a2 prothom term to is the formula for variance of x, next is variance of y, aru etia a2 ki hol covariance of xy formula, so plus 2 times of covariance x comma y. So which is the proof that variance duta random variable or addition kori uthi tak jodi variance lua, those will be tahator variance lagibo independent, and then also tahator major covariance tumi calculate koribo lagibo, right? So that's the formula. By the way, there are some properties of this covariance also. A covariance or kisuman properties ase. Properties. Number 1 is jodi x and y independent hoy, if x and y are independent, right? Independent hole ki hobo expectation of xy can be written as expectation of x into expectation of y. Kyo? Because last class ot ami discuss korisilu the multiplication theorem of expectation, and this is true only if x and y are independent. Jodi a2 hoy tetia hole ki hobo je covariance x comma y formula ki asile expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. A2 jodi this term jodi A2 hoi jay, that means this is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y minus expectation of x into expectation of y, right? So the value is 0. So jetia x and y are independent, tetia covariance 0 hoy. That is the first property. Next property is কোভেৰিয়েন্স তুমি যি ধৰণে নিলিখা কিয় কোভেৰিয়েন্স x, y এ ওলোৱা বা কোভেৰিয়েন্স y, x এ ওলোৱা they will be same. Number 3 property is covariance x, x that means eketa random variable or মাজত covariance will be equal to variance, right? Variance of x. And then number 4 covariance ax comma by, right, is equal to ab covariance x comma y. You can please verify this one, right? A2 aru a term to a property duta tumaloke verify koriba. Verify kenake koriba? Simply x or thait ax, y thait by bohaba in the formula and use the properties of expectation or jibilok property ase with respect to constant multiply hoi thakile ki hoy and you will get this value. Similarly yate duita jodi x bohai dia you should get a formula for variance. Number 4. Number 5 whole tumar covariance ax plus b comma cy plus d is equal to ac covariance x comma y. Okay, these are properties of covariance. Okay, so ami covariance salu the addition of two variance of theorem ami salu, right? This is the theorem for addition of, right? So now we will go with some examples of variance. Okay, so exercise eta dia ase, exercise to whole take an exercise. Okay, so this says you have a random variable x which can take value 0, 5, 10 and 15 and the probabilities are px is 1 by 5, right? This one is 3 by 10, this one is 2 by 5 and this one is 1 by 10, right? So these are the probabilities. So you are given to find number 1, so it is given find expectation of 3x plus 4 and number 2 is variance of 3x plus 4. Eta calculate koribo dis, right? So in solution, right, in solution prothom ki koribo lagibo, you will have to find out prothom question to dise expectation of 3x plus 4. এটা 3 আৰু 4 দুইটাই কনস্ট্যান্ট, সো কনস্ট্যান্ট হলে আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো, দিস ইজ নাথিং বাট এক্সপেক্টেশন অফ ax plus b formula and the formula is a expectation of x plus b. so hey formula to mate eitu ki hobo, this is equal to 3 times of expectation of x plus 4. Etia amak ki lage, we need the value of expectation of x, right? Now expectation of x is given by random variable multiplied by the corresponding probability. So 0 into 1 by 5 plus 5 into 3 by 10 plus 10 into 2 by 5 plus 15 into 1 by 10. এইটো 0 হৈ গ'ল, this 2 হৈ গ'ল, this 2 হৈ গ'ল, and this 2, this 3. Right, so we got 3 by 2 plus 4 plus 3 by 2. So this common lole 2, 3, 8, 3. So 2 is 7, right? So expectation of x 7 palu, therefore expectation of 3x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7 plus 4 is 25, right? So this is solution of first one. Solution of second one is variance of 3x plus 4, which is equal to the variance of ax plus b ki asile, it is simply a square variance of x. So 3 square variance of x, right? So amak that means 9 times of variance of x lage. So etia tumi variance of x ulabo lagil hai. Now variance of x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. The expectation of x ami already ulalu, that is 7, but we don't know what is expectation of x square, right? So expectation of x square will be expectation of x squared ki koribo lage, random variable to square koribo lage and then probability multiplied koro. That means 0 square into 1 by 5, 5 square into 3 by 5 and all. So 0 square into 1 by 5 plus 5 square into 3 by 10 plus 10 square into 2 by 5 plus 15 square into 1 by 10. So 0 ase means eto 0 hai gol, so that means this is 25 into 3 by 10. This one is 100 into 2 by 5 plus this is 15 square is 165, sorry 225, 15 square is 225 into 1 by 10, right? So if I solve this, I will get 7.5 plus this will be 40 plus this one is 22.5. So that means 8 to 30, so this is 70, right? So this is the value for x square. Eti ami variance of x ulabo lage. Thus variance of x will be equal to x square is 70 minus variance of x is found out as 7 square, so that means 70 minus 49, so that is 21. So we found out variance of x to be 25, therefore ulabo disile variance of 3x plus 4, which is equal to 9 times of variance of x, which is 21, which is equal to 189, which is the required result for your second question. So enake variance calculate koribo pari, right? So next example is, it is given that if x and y are two random variables, then prove that number one, variance of x minus y is equal to variance of x plus variance of y, and number two, variance of ax plus by is equal to a square variance of x plus b square variance of y. A and b are any constants. So this is what we are asked to prove. So let's start with the first one, that is solution or proof number one. Okay, so by definition ki hoba, variance of x minus y will be equal to expectation of x minus y whole square minus expectation of x minus y, right, this whole thing square, right? So it is a2 a minus b whole square likhibo para. So this is expectation of ki hoba, x square plus y square minus twice xy, right, minus expectation of x minus y. So it is jodi moi enake likhu, this is expectation of x plus minus 1 times of y whole square. Sorry, this whole thing square. So this is equal to etia a2 tumi gute gitare expectation lobo para. So expectation of x square plus expectation of y square minus 2 to jehetu constant bahirot ahibo, it will be expectation of x y. Fine. It a piece of part to, this is nothing but, consider this is a term, this is a term, so expectation of x plus y. So expectation of x plus y ki likhibo pare, expectation of x plus expectation of y. So minus sign thakile expectation of x plus expectation of y thait ami ki likhi, minus 1 times of y, this whole thing square. This is equal to a term khini further time same thakile, twice expectation of xy same thing, minus it a2 constant jodi thori sawa, suppose minus 1 equal to c dhori lua, this is expectation of cy. Or cy ki hoy, c to bahirot ahi jay. So c bahirot ahi jay means minus 1 to bahirot ahibo. So that means this is nothing but expectation of x minus expectation of y whole square hoy ase. This is the scenario. So agor term khini same thakil, minus etu jodi a minus b whole square dhora, tetia ki hobo, expectation of x whole square plus expectation of y whole square minus 2 times of expectation of x into expectation of y, right? Minus, so a minus b whole square হিসাবে তাক আমি expand কৰিছো. So this is okay. So instead of this, let me write down the actual value. This is expectation of x square plus expectation of y square minus 2 times of expectation of xy. So agor nisna ami ako we will arrange them, and if you arrange them you will get expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole thing square plus expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole thing square, and then there is minus 2 times of expectation of xy, or either minus and minus, a2 minus plus 2 times of expectation of x into expectation of y. Okay, by the way I missed something. The yat likha ase there are two independent random variable. Question to dia ase the x and y are two independent random variable. Eta independent random variable hole ki hoy? So this is the formula for variance of x. This is the formula for variance of y. Yar pura ki pam minus 2 independent hole yatok product hisabe likhibo pari. So x y plus 2 times of expectation of x expectation of y. So this cancel out hoy gol. So we will be left with variance of x plus variance of y, which proves our first thing. Next one koise je variance of ax plus by should be equal to this. So number 2 dia ase variance of ax plus by. This is equal to, by definition ki hobo, this should be equal to expectation of ax plus by square lage minus ki lage expectation of ax plus by whole thing square lage, right? So then expectations, it is a plus b whole square hole a square x square plus b square y square plus 2 times of ab x y, right? Minus this will be expectation of a plus b. So expectation of a plus expectation of b. Then again ako that constant ase. So ekebarote tumi expectation of x plus b expectation of y boli likhi dibo para yate. That is the value. So this is yato ako tumi a square constant, b square constant, twice ab are constant. So constant bur tumi ekebarote bahirot likhibo para. So this will be expectation of x square plus b square expectation of y square plus twice ab expectation of x y. minus this is a plus b whole square hole a square expectation of x whole square plus b square expectation of y whole square plus 2 times of ab expectation of x into expectation of y. So this equal to a square expectation of x square plus b square expectation of y square plus twice ab. Eta jehetu a x and y independent boli koise, so you can write expectation of x into expectation of y minus a square expectation of x whole square minus b square expectation of y whole square and minus plus, so minus 2 times of ab expectation of x expectation of y, right? So this term get cancelled and baki a2 term ami common lobo paru a square a2 term opora a2 term b square, so you will get b square, sorry, a square, start with a square expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square plus b square expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. So this is a square variance of x plus b square variance of y. So this is the proof of your second question, right? So aji hami mathematical expectation or next step, that is variance and as well as covariance ki hoy tar bishoye explain korilu and also discuss korilu je tar kisuman properties and some numericals related to those. There are a lot of numericals in your books past question paper to, and in next class, in our next class we will try to solve some more examples of variance and covariance etc, and then we will end this chapter and next we will go to probability distribution. So that's all for today. See you in the next class.